It is used to be a quiet place for 2 years, where children used to never get tired of running, jumping, beating, chasing, laughing uncontrollably, and shaping and developing little dreams. Everyone was excited. Everything has changed, but the desire of hearts continues. This is the common but hopeful story of the rise of all schools around the world, and this includes Magsaysay Elementary School, Laoang 2 District, Laoang, Northern Samar. After 2 years of sad and complex trials of the COVID-19 pandemic that shut down the classes of all schools, here and there is new hope, and we are beginning to face it. It has already begun to rise, and also the beginning of the continuation of the dreams of the little angels who are the young hope of our people. This is the beginning of a new era of seeds of wisdom for our youth. Ladies and gentlemen, the opening of Magsaysay Elementary School for the expansion of limited face-to-face classes for the school year 2021-2022. Magsaysay Elementary School is preparing for the opening of limited face-to-face classes this coming April 18, 2022. It was led by our school head and teachers in collaboration with barangay officials of Barangay Magsaysay, Laoang, Northern Samar, General Parents Teachers Association officers, volunteers, and other private sectors. Our school head attended the barangay session to present to them the DepEd program for the expansion of limited face-to-face classes, and also to ask for the corresponding support and assistance from them. The next day, an orientation was held with the parents and the bayanihan of all to organize, beautify, and make the school ready for its reopening. Today, April 12, 2022, we will hold our simulation activity to teach children the new normal of going to school. Eventually, it was a success, and we can say that Magsaysay Elementary School is now ready for its reopening for our pupils. All this has been accomplished because of the love, concern, and cooperation of all for the children of Magsaysay Elementary School, and so that once again we can say that education is the key to the success of oneself and one's country.